Hello guys, use of has and have. Has is followed by he, she, it, any name, and with singular subject. Have is followed by I, we, you, they, and plural subject. Now, I dash walked 4 kilometers already. Here, I, I is used with have. So, I have. He is used with has. So has. He has lived in New York. You is followed by have. So you have read a story. She is followed by has. So she has a pen. He 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 is followed by has. So he has an apple. Rita is a name. So with any name we use has. Rita has a dog named Max. They with they we use have. They have gone to the park. We use have. So we have completed our homework. The girls it is plural. So with plural subject we always use have. The girls have arranged this party. The girl, again the girl, but in this the girl is singular. So with a singular subject we use has. The girl has curly hair.